Hello and welcome to my Alberta Art Studio. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe. I've done a couple of them in the past in practicing, um, but I'm going to give it another whirl. I've got this lovely piece of plastic that I got from when I got some canvases from Michaels, and it seems to be perfect for this. The other one I had was a little limpy and didn't do it very well. I've already flooded the canvas with white and with my base paint, and I've got a few colors here, and this is my black. It's a cell activator. I've got gold, Liquitex gold, Liquitex cadmium yellow light. I've got, this is, may have to look that one up, and crimson, and this one is actually a craft paint that I've mixed with my pouring medium, which is glue and water, and it made this light blue color. I added some white to it to make it a little bit lighter. Oh, maybe I didn't. It's this one here. It's called neon blue, I think. Yeah, neon blue. But I've tried it a few times and it's been pretty good. So we'll give this a whirl. I thought what I would do is, there's many ways you can go, but this canvas is an 8 by 10, so it's not super big. So instead of doing maybe a center one, I thought I'd just lay my colors up along here, and then I'll swipe them down with the cell activator and see how it goes. Enjoy. Well, I may not have said, but my name is Gus, in case you wondered. All right, so I'm going to start with this light blue. Put it on the top here in a nice straight even line, like I usually do. Oops, now that'll never do. Where the heck did that come from? Must be losing my hair. Yeah, good. Yeah, I think it's a permanent part of the painting now that I pushed it in there. All right, so we'll put some crimson in here. When this comes out, I'll get a better idea which color it is. Oh, it's the brilliant purple, or bright purple. Or bright, well, I'll put it in the description anyway. It's one of those colors. I haven't used it in a while. This is Monte Mart Gold. And I'll maybe put a couple more in the bottom here. I'll add some bubbles, you know, just for the extra benefit of them. There we go. Okay, get these out of the way. Now I'll run my cell activator on the top. Let's see how she goes. If I can get it on the canvas. Seems a little runny, I might have to shake it. It's supposed to be a nice skinny line. It's not coming out that way. I'm either squeezing too hard or something. Anyway, so I'm going to move this up a little bit. because I have to bring the paint down through it. So I'm going to put this down. It's just supposed to be a little bit down there. And then rub the paint down through here. Okay. And try that again. I'm going to cover over on the other side too. Well, that looks way better than the first one. I might do the first one again because there's a little bit of cell activator up there that, since I didn't do it as thin as I did before. So we'll just do this part like this, just to give it a bit more. Really turning out nice. Lots of cells. Okay, I'm going to give it a torch after I knock all my paints flying. Move them back, I don't want to burn them. Okay. I think what I'll do is I'm just going to move it around a little because some of the canvas is still missing some paint in that. I'll see if it'll move. Middle's moving good. I don't want to wreck it too much though, because it part of the whole design is as it was. So yeah, I'll leave it, touch it up later. So I'm going to pause and I'll be back, and I'm going to try and do some balloon kisses. I follow Gilly Kube art, and she does a lot of these swipes and that, and she uses the balloons. I have this little handy dandy one with the water in it. The other one is floating around here somewhere in the room, but I'll find it. And when I get back, I'm going to give it about a half an hour to set up, and I might mess with it, but hopefully not. I'll wait until the camera. I just kind of wanted to get some paint over on this side, and I might just leave it. I don't want to wreck it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. It's been about 25 minutes. And I'm going to give this, I'm going to try some balloon kisses. Just to see if we can make it a little nicer. I still don't know what to do with those edges. This isn't the kind of picture that you usually stretch. So I might just run some paint along the sides. Maybe some of this crimson. Just so that it'll flow off a little bit, so that I can it's going to be a little thick, but just to give it a kind of a finish. May not be the nicest in the world, but at least it'll be colored, because it seems like my base paint didn't cover this area very well. The actual sides I can do with the paintbrush, but it's kind of hard for me to do that. This is going to be interesting. I'm not left-handed. I've been using my left hand a lot more often. I hope I still got my mic on. Might be talking to myself here. Looks like the paint kind of dried. I'll maybe just put some, I don't want to put just red around it. Put some white up there. Where's my bottle of white? Oh, this is it. Just don't want the canvas itself to be showing through. One little part. Yeah, that's not too bad. When it dries, it'll be better. Okay, might be a little thick yet, but I'm going to give it a try. One balloon doesn't work, then I'll just leave it the way it is. I haven't been so very successful with balloon kisses, but it always looks so easy when some other person does it. So I just figure eventually I'll get it. Okay. I'll go into this where the cell activator is and see how we do. It's not too bad. Hello, little girl. As I look back there, she's standing up on the top of the door, looking out. That's what we do up here. Don't want this one to pop. It's got water in it. It might be deadly. Or very wet, one of the two. That looks kind of nice. Just going to go and bring some of this white into the screws. Yeah, I think I'll leave it there. Open another torch. There we go. So I'll show this to you when it's all dry. And I'll try and give it a bit of a view to it. It's very slippery right now, but it's moving quite a bit. So let's see if you can see that pretty good. And hopefully this other camera is still working, because I did turn it on, but we'll see if that, you can see that maybe. These bottles in the way. I'll see if that is alright. I'll move it back because I just can't see whether it's in frame or not. But kind of looks like a scene with mountains and little river. I guess I got an imagination, I don't know. Well, thank you for joining me today. This is Monday. So far, I did one on Sunday, and I'm doing one today. Don't know if I'm doing one tomorrow, but we'll see. I just thought I'd bring you along. I normally test out things and do different things. Not every day anymore, but sometimes. I don't want to run through too many canvases. Kind of expensive. But nonetheless, I thank you for joining me this time, and hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you and your family, and take care of yourselves. And we'll be back next few days. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe I'll be doing some painting tomorrow too. But I wanted to try this one. Bye-bye now.